Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we are doing a contact video. I know you guys are probably tired of me with these contacts, but you know what? Some people like contacts. So today I was sent 5 pairs of contacts from this company called Solotica to review for you guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this review. So it came in this box, this nice pretty box, Lens Me box. And the contacts came in here. So in the box I got 5 different contacts, okay? So I have 3 Hidrocor lens for you guys, and I have 2 natural ones. I'll explain the difference when I try them on. Also in the box, it came with this nice pretty case. So you can put your contacts in here. You get this case. And it also came with this case right here to store your contacts, some more storage. But each contact has its own storage, so this is pretty cool. This is like for travel. All right, let's go ahead and jump into these colors, guys. Okay guys, so that pretty much just sums up our video. I gave you 5 different looks. So the natural collection are the first 2, which has that limbo ring around the eye. I feel like that looks a little bit more natural, but you know, to each his own. The 2 after that are from the Hidrocor collection, and this one right here, this last one is from the Rio Hidrocor collection. So overall, my summary, I like these contacts. I think they're super comfortable. They're a little bit thicker than some contacts that I have worn before as far as colored contacts. They're not uncomfortable at all. If you saw, I was putting them on literally with you. Like my eyes didn't need to adjust with it. I have worn these contacts outside of this video just for like a day or 2. I wore like 2 colors just to kind of feel it out and see if I like it, and they were super comfortable. Because they are a little bit thicker, they did start to feel like my eye, I don't want to say my eye was scratching, but with contacts, I feel like in general, when they start to get a little dry sometimes, they do feel like something is on your eye. So you do need like a lubricant drop. But I think you should walk around with lubricant drops anyway when you're wearing contacts. They are comfortable. They're fitting my eyes good. I have no issues with them. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I do have a special coupon code for you guys. If you guys use code Chrissy in checkout, you can save 10% with these lenses. They do last up until a year. The ones that I have last until a year. They do have a monthly disposable option. I am wearing the annual contacts, so I like the fact that they do have both just in case you're not an annual contact wearer. Yeah, overall I think these are super cute. I would recommend them. I had no issues with shipping. It seemed like it came super fast. That's pretty much it. Let me know which one was your favorite, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.